Well, I pulled enough of that out, and I made it straight. And do you know, it slipped right through there. It didn't take me hardly anything. And I haven't pulled it out yet, but you see it right here. Look at that. There it is. There it is. Can you believe that? That was that easy. I probably should have showed you pushing it through there, but I mean, you get the idea, don't you? Okay. So now what am I going to do? I need to pull out enough on one end. And remember, one light fixture is going to be right here. Okay, so I just need to have enough of this wire to there. So I'll pull some back. And because then it's going to daisy chain. Then it's going to go from this one with another piece of wire going over to this location where those wire nuts are to another light fixture. And then zip-de-doodle, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Okay? And so I don't know exactly just yet exactly where we're going to put that light in here, okay? But she's probably going to want, I think she said, a down light, and I'm calling this a down light. You know, the new ones that we got, because at night the light will cascade downwards. Okay, the same one. I only have 6 of them, right? I only have 6, and if you watched that other video, you know the type we got. But now we're probably going to have to order some more, and that's okay. We're good with that. Okay, we can we can order a 2-pack, a 4-pack, a 6-pack, an 8-pack, whatever. Okay, and so we're probably going to put it right about there, because at night when the lights go on for the landscape lights, we don't see, we've got another light here and there's another light there. These only work when we turn the lights on inside the house. Okay, there's another one by the front door. And but if we don't want those on till 1 a.m. and they're not going to shut off automatically, our lights in the landscaped areas will shut off automatically. If somebody comes late to our house for some unknown reason, there's no light in here, we'll have a landscape light over here, landscape light over here, landscape light over here. When they open this door, we'll have a nice down light over here. Do you see what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna readjust this wire. I'll probably pull the wire out this way, and it may be terminated about right there, full well knowing we're probably going to leave it right there. But then I can roll up the excess and bury it right there. That way, if I ever want to move that light, let's say if this dies and we want to put a plant over here, and we think, boy, it sure would be nice if that light was over there, then we can take it from this location. It already has the wires, it's already roped around loop-de-loo, and I can lift it up and drag it over here. In fact, I'll probably leave enough wire so that the wire terminates over there. Like I say, that's going to be about 3 feet of wire. I could just roll up and put down in the ground. Easy, right? Okay, I got more to show you, so stick around.